Reserve is set to release its findings into what caused the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. But the average person, the biggest impact is probably going to be trust.
And that is far-reaching. All new for you this morning, the Let Joe Know team getting your money questions answered.
People get scared. I mean, you have your life savings. Banks have a reputation for being trustworthy.
Jeffrey Smith, clinical professor of finance at the W.P. Carey School of Business at ASU, says Silicon Valley Bank's collapse exposed vulnerabilities, especially for customers with a lot of money.
The amounts over $250,000 were uncovered by insurance, so they did have exposure.
So what about your money? A Let Joe Know viewer wrote us asking, as a retired saver, I'm concerned, asking if Arizona banks are at risk of failing.
Banks do fail, but mostly we don't hear about it because they're absorbed into more solvent banks and customers aren't affected.
Professor Smith says big or small, global or local, it doesn't matter. What matters is if the bank is FDIC insured.
You don't have to think about it. You just go to any FDIC insured bank, big, small, medium, and the coverage is going to be the exact same.
With an FDIC insured bank, your money's protected up to $250,000 per type of account. That covers most of us. While the Federal Reserve Bank is making good all depositors from SVB's collapse, regional banks are dealing with fallout as customers, hoping for peace of mind, moved their deposits to larger banks like Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase for safekeeping. That means regional lenders are left with less capital. That's according to Federal Reserve data.
Banks don't always have all that cash on hand to give to their depositors all at once. And so that's when you have this idea of a bank run and liquidity problems.
To help banks and restore consumer trust, the central bank has started a new emergency lending program for banks that need cash infusions. Go to abc15.com/letjoeknow for more consumer news and to subscribe to our Scam Buster newsletter. I'm investigator Joe Ducey. If you got a problem, let me know.